Welcome back to Trending Topics. I'm Paris Payton. Remember the case linked to singer David and the teen girl's death? Well, police have now arrested him in connection with that investigation. Authorities in California have charged the singer with the death of 14-year-old Celeste Rivas Hernandez. David, whose legal name is David Anthony Burke, was also charged with mutilating human remains and continuous sexual abuse of a child under 14. He pleaded not guilty Monday. His attorneys entered the plea on his behalf of his initial court appearance. This comes 7 months after Celeste's remains were discovered and nearly a year after her last known whereabouts. In September 2025, her dismembered and decomposed body was found in the trunk of a Tesla registered to Burke. Following a months-long investigation, authorities arrested Burke last Thursday. Footage obtained by the California Post showed him being taken into custody at a residence in the Hollywood Hills. Burke is being held without bail, and his attorneys say they intend to vigorously defend his innocence and believe the evidence will show he did not cause Celeste's death. There seem to be more legal hurdles ahead for actor and film producer Alec Baldwin. He is now facing civil trial related to the fatal accident shooting on the set of the movie Rust. While the movie was in production in 2021, Baldwin fired a prop gun during rehearsal for a scene, but the gun contained a real bullet. The shot killed the film's cinematographer, Haluna Hutches, and injured another crew member. Now, a gaffer who was on set at the time says he suffered emotional distress due to carelessness by Baldwin and the production. Baldwin has said previously that he did not know the gun had a real bullet and that he didn't pull the trigger. The civil trial is set for October. Meghan Trainor is calling it quits on her upcoming tour. The pop star took to Instagram stories Thursday to announce the cancellation of her Get In Girl tour, saying she needs to prioritize her family and mental health. The tour was set to kick off June 12th in Clarkston, Michigan, with more than 30 shows planned across North America. Trainor apologized to fans, writing, "I am sorry to let you down." The singer recently welcomed her third child in January with husband actor Daryl Sabera and said balancing a new baby, an upcoming album, and a nationwide tour became too much, adding that she needs to be home with her family right now. Her new album, Toy With Me, is set to release on April 24th. That's all for Trending Topics. I'll see you here next week.